Hello guys, good morning. Today I am showing you how to check the weekly fire alarm test for Firedex 2208, and this is the call point that I am using to check the fire alarm. Okay, you need this types of special key. This key is especially made for these types of call point. So just push it here. So when you put this key here, so it will make the sound, and then for this device we are using the code 3112. So you have to press first 3112 and then again 1 and 2 for silence and reset. So that's how you can do these types of weekly fire alarm test. Thank you. Bye bye.